Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix the application was unable to start correctly and the error code you can see on the screen is 0xc000005. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error code 0xc000005, the application was unable to start correctly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to press Windows plus R key. Here you need to type temp, 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 then hit enter. Just press Ctrl A and delete all the files. Close this window. Again you have to press Windows plus R key, then type %temp %. %temp %, hit enter. Press Ctrl A and delete all the files. Some of the files may not be deleted because they are running in the background. Just cancel this one. After that, third method is you just need to press Windows R again, then type sysdm.cpl, then hit enter. In this, click on the system. Here you can see performance. Click on the settings, click on advanced. Here you find data execution prevention. Here you can see turn on DEP for all programs and services except those selected. You have to select this option, then click on apply, then click OK. After that, click on this start menu, then type here system restore. Just click on this create restore point, or you can type RSTRUI. Click on this, click on next, select the restore point. When you are not seeing that error, then click on next, then click on finish. It will take some time and your PC will get restart. After restarting your PC, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the application was unable to start correctly and the error code you can see on the screen is 0xc000005 on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.